Deep Lingual Artery Anatomy. 5 questions and answers. Can you tell me another name for the deep lingual artery? The deep lingual artery is also known as the ranine artery. Is the deep lingual artery the terminal portion of the lingual artery? Yes, the deep lingual artery is the terminal portion of the lingual artery. Does the deep lingual artery course under the tongue? Yes, the deep lingual artery courses under the tongue. Does the deep lingual artery lie on the lateral side of the genioglossus muscle? Yes, the deep lingual artery lies on the lateral side of the genioglossus muscle. Are the deep lingual arteries in the mouth situated on either side of the elevated fold of mucous membrane known as the frenulum linguae? Yes, the deep lingual arteries in the mouth are situated on either side of the elevated fold of mucous membrane known as frenulum linguae.